Hey there, welcome to Bob's Cooking and Stuff. Today we're going to get fancy and we're going to make lobster tails, and you're not going to believe how simple it is. Great for date night. Stay tuned. Okay, so we've rinsed our lobster tails and patted them dry with paper towels. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to come in and we're going to cut off these legs on the bottom. Try and keep them from going everywhere. Okay, now that we've got the legs cut off the underside, we're going to take our shears and go straight down the center of the back from the front towards the tail. And you're going to cut that all the way down to the tail. You might need to spread it apart a little bit. My wife orders groceries online. She ordered 3 lobster tails and we got 3 packs of 4. So we decided just to have a lobster feast tonight. Okay, now a little trick. Before you start trying to pull the meat out of the split, turn it over and go in here and crack these rib bones. They crack easy with just your fingers. Do that on each one. This helps release the meat from the bottom. Okay, now that you've got those cracked, you push down on the sides to open up your split. You kind of have to reach in with your fingers along the edge of the shell, between the shell and the meat. Just separate that shell from the meat. And then you get under the meat. You pull it up, squeeze the shell back together, and lay your lobster on top. Sometimes it's a little tricky getting under the shell. Once you do, you can just push back down the side and kind of come underneath. Okay, we've got all our lobster split open and the meat is on the top of the shell. We're going to transfer them to our baking dish, or in this case, baking dishes. Okay, now we're going to season these. You put down a little white pepper. a little paprika for color. Some garlic powder. Okay, in a pan we've melted some butter. We've got some parsley we're just going to dice up, add to our butter. Mix that in. Add a little white pepper to that as well. Little garlic powder. We're going to put some lemon juice in here. Mix that up. A little too much parsley made the butter sauce green, so I added another stick of butter. Okay, we've basted and drizzled our lobster with the butter sauce. It's going to go into the oven at 400 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. And we'll be done. Okay, we're putting these into the oven. Like, comment, and share. Okay, now we're going to plate this up. We've got some asparagus on the plate. We're going to fan the tails out. Let's see, I think they'll go better this way. If you like this video, subscribe for more recipes. And there you have it, lobster tail. Thanks for watching.